Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see here, we have a package to unbox. My label's on the other side, so I'm not going to show it, but just got this in the mail, so we can go ahead and open it up. You can probably already tell what it is. And there it is. It is a Notifier NBG-12LX. It is used. I got this for a very good deal. It's a little dirty, especially on top, but as you can see, it's coming off very easily. And all the lettering and all the white labels and everything on the front are in really good condition. And you can also see this is a by Honeywell version, which I specifically requested. So that means it's the newer one, which will definitely work on my panel. Now we can go ahead and open it up with the notifier key. Sometimes the first time you open them up, they can be a little sticky. And on the inside here, as you can see, this is an NBG-12LX, and this was address 46. Luckily they didn't write it anywhere, so I'll be able to clean this thing up, and it'll look just like new. So we can go ahead and pull it. 3, 2, 1. And it feels brand new. It's not loose, like some pull stations that have been pulled a lot are. Feels like it's probably almost never been pulled. So yeah, I'm not going to make a video of cleaning this thing up because I already have one of those on my channel. Might be a link up there to one of them. But yeah, so this will be used on my new Notifier NFS 2-3030, which I have more parts for that coming tomorrow. So that'll probably be next video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.